Hey friends, this is Refat. Welcome to the channel. Public speaking is an essential skill that can keep you steps ahead in any venture. Today, I will give you 10 tips to improve your public speaking skills. Nervousness is normal. Therefore, you need to practice and prepare. People generally feel some physiological reactions like pounding hearts and trembling hands. You should not associate these feelings with the sense that you will perform poorly or make a fool of yourself. Sometimes being nervous is even better. The adrenaline rush that makes you sweat also makes you more alert and ready to give your best performance. The best way to overcome this anxiety is to prepare some more. Take the time to go over your notes several times. Once you have become comfortable with the material, practice a lot. Videotape yourself or get a friend to critique your performance. Know your audience. Your speech is about them and not you. Before you begin to craft your message, consider who the message is intended for. Learn as much about your listeners as you can. This will help you determine your choice of words, level of information, organization pattern, and motivational statement. Organize your material in the most effective manner to attain your purpose. Create the framework for your speech. Write down the topic, general purpose, specific purpose, central idea, and main points. Make sure to grab the audience's attention in the first 30 seconds. Your first impression will keep your audience listening to you. Watch for feedback and adapt to it. You have to keep your focus on the audience. Gauge their reactions. Adjust your message and stay flexible. Delivering a canned speech will guarantee that you lose the attention of or confuse even the most devoted listeners. Let your personality come through. You have to be yourself. Don't become a talking head in any type of communication. You will establish better credibility if your personality shines through, and your audience will trust what you have to say if they can see you as a real person. Use humor, tell stories, and use effective language. Often, you can inject a funny anecdote in your presentation, and you will certainly grab your audience's attention. Audiences generally like a personal touch in a speech. A story can provide that. Don't read unless you have to. Rather, work from an outline. Reading from a script or slide fractures the interpersonal connection. By maintaining eye contact with the audience, you keep the focus on yourself and your message. A brief outline can serve to jog your memory and keep you on track. Use your voice and hands effectively, but try to omit nervous gestures. Nonverbal communication carries most of the message. Good delivery does not call attention to itself, but instead conveys the speaker's ideas clearly and without distraction. Grab attention at the beginning and close with a dynamic end. Do you enjoy hearing a speech that starts with, "Today I'm going to talk about something"? Most people don't. Instead, use a startling statistic, an interesting anecdote, or a concise quotation. Conclude your speech with a summary and a strong statement that your audience is sure to remember. Use audiovisual aids wisely. Too many can break the direct connection to the audience, so use them sparingly. They should enhance or clarify your content or capture and maintain your audience's attention, but they should not be the center of focus. You, the speaker, should be in the center of attention, not your slides. Practice does not always make things perfect. Good communication is never perfect, and nobody expects you to be perfect. However, putting in the requisite time to prepare will help you deliver a better speech. You may not be able to shake your nerves entirely, but you can learn to minimize them. And with more and more experience, you will eventually master the skills. Let me know in the comments down below if these tips were helpful and if you know of any other points that may help us improve our public speaking skills. Don't forget to like this video if this helped you, and do subscribe or check out this playlist for more contents like this one. Thanks for watching. See you later.